Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kynhun Menteri Sorkar kala pediang ya ka Kaiphod Jong jing Tohkit ke Tohkit benia halor ke jing keno ki baya day bat ke jing do nong ka aggregate technical and commercial pumjuru ya ke jing penia ya ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bat ki lightly ki company ki badan benta ban penia lang. Ka Kaiphod kala ai jing mut bakidon sibun ki AKA ki ba ka MECL kan hab ban penjanai bha ya ka rukom trekam jongka. Kynhun Menteri Sorkar kala batha ya katanat boarding bagadai ban pentikna ban pentrekam ya kijing ai jengmut jongka komiti. Menteri ramba ke jelau Konrad ke sang mau laong bak Sorkar kan sasai Madan ya ka Kaiphod dak babu ha ka website jongka Sorkar ha kini ki kindiat sengi banwan khnang bagi Paidbah kini yo ban Pule bnia ya kane ka Kaiphod.
The proposal for consideration of the recommendation of Independent Inquiry Committee report to inquire into allegations and to record findings and make recommendations concerning the procurement, AT&C losses and human resource management of MECL and its 3 subsidiary companies. You are aware that this independent inquiry was set up, and after the department and other departments and the MECL and others having gone through all the aspects of this inquiry, it was presented to the cabinet today, and the cabinet has accepted this report. And after accepting this report, it has given instructions to the power department to ensure that all steps are taken to implement the different suggestions that have been made by this inquiry committee, and also to make this inquiry committee report public. So we'll be putting it on the website in the next couple of days so that it is made public for the people in general, and anybody can access this report.